Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a crystal clear glycerin soap base from scratch. This recipe is perfect for creating beautiful transparent soap right at home. Let's dive in. Here is what we need for this recipe. 120 grams of coconut oil, 50 grams of stearic acid, 29 grams of sodium hydroxide, also known as lye or caustic soda, 48 grams of distilled water. For our solvent, we have 90 grams of propylene glycol, 110 grams of ethanol, 85 grams of sorbitol, 27 grams of glycerin. Safety first. Make sure to wear your gloves, your goggles, and work in a well-ventilated area. Let's start by adding 120 grams of coconut oil into a stainless steel container. Next, add 50 grams of stearic acid. Melt this together over a very low heat, preferably double boiling method. Stir gently, be patient and allow them to fully dissolve. Once everything is completely dissolved and the temperature reaches around 102 degrees Celsius, it is time to prepare the lye solution. Now, slowly add 29 grams of sodium hydroxide to 48 grams of distilled water while stirring gently. Remember, always add lye to water, never the other way around. Stir until the mixture is completely dissolved and clear. Now let's combine our oil and lye. Gradually add the lye solution to the oil as the temperature is still very high while stirring constantly. Mix thoroughly to ensure even blending. Once combined, cover the mixture and allow to gel for about 5 minutes. While that happens, let's prepare our ethanol. Using a double boiler, gently heat 110 grams of ethanol to a temperature between 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. It is important to cover the ethanol with foil paper to prevent it from evaporating. Once the ethanol temperature reaches between 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, uncover the soap mixture and slowly add the warm ethanol while stirring. Now switch to a stick blender and blend for 2 minutes. Then cover the mixture again to retain the heat. Now bring 90 grams of propylene glycol to a temperature of 102 to 105 degrees Celsius. Once heated, open the soap mixture and slowly add the propylene glycol while stirring. Blend again with a stick blender for 2 minutes. Then cover it back up. We are almost there. Now Combine 85 grams of sorbitol with 27 grams of glycerin and bring the temperature up to 60 to 65 degrees Celsius, just like the ethanol. Once they are at the right temperature, open the soap mixture and gradually add the warm sorbitol and glycerin while stirring continuously. Blend with stick blender for 2 more minutes. Cover it one last time and let it sit for about 10 minutes. This will allow the mixture to become beautifully clear. After 10 minutes, open your soap mixture and carefully pour it into your desired mold. Allow the soap to cool and harden completely for like about 12 to 24 hours. Once it is set, you will have a stunning, transparent glycerin soap base ready to use. And that is how you make your own transparent glycerin soap base. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY projects, and let us know in the comment how your soap turned out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.